Welcome back to Daytime Live. We are joined by gospel artist, the talented Jermaine Edwards. Yes. Welcome, sir.
Thank you for having me.
All right. I asked Jermaine this off.
Dofton.
I said, Jermaine, can I have the watch? What would Jesus do?
And he said...
I mean, Jesus turned water into wine, but I'm not Jesus.
Hey.
So
he said no. No.
What have you been up to, Jermaine?
I've been on tour about 2 months. Came back the beginning of October. Went to like 6 states and then Asia. And, you know, working... Well, I just launched my new album in July. And then I have like this new song I'm promoting now that Triton produced. So that's doing very well.
Tell us about the new single.
It's no weapon that form against me shall prosper.
Right.
More than I can. You know, you have a lot of bad mind and jealous people.
Yes.
And you know them trying to set up everything sometimes will fall.
Right.
But you know, we have to just hold firm that, you know, it will form. It's not that it won't come. Evil will always come because everything exists, but everything have to coexist. So you have to just learn to backlit, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it just won't prosper.
It won't prosper.
So it will come.
Yeah.
I understand. Because are there other persons on the rhythm?
Yeah, there's Kevin Downswell on there. There's Chevelle Franklin, Omari. And
all
yeah, I think 2 more other persons, I think.
All right, it sounds good. Yeah. All right, Jermaine, take it away and we'll come and have a chat after.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthened me. I will fear no evil, 'cause God is with me. God is with me. God is with me. Oh, say no weapon formed against me shall prosper. I'm more than a conqueror. I'm more. Yeah, no weapon, yeah, formed against me, yeah, I'm more. Said I'm more. Say, Father, as I go down on my knees to pray, thank you, Father God, you always made a way. There were times when I was falling on my face, you held me up and said, son, you're not falling today. The corner looked dark and you wonder what's going on. See a light and you say press on. Every day the back will get tough, but me not gonna give up. We gotta push harder. Yeah, no weapon formed against me shall prosper. I'm more than a conqueror. I'm more. Say no weapon formed against me shall prosper. I'm more. Said I'm more. So every day that I rise, I keep on fighting. God take clean, so I keep on running. No farm gonna hold me down. Procrastination, I must let go. Pray harder, look up, gotta lean on the Father. Level up, gotta clear my head from the negative thoughts that flow. Oh Lord, don't leave me alone, yeah. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. I'm more than a conqueror. I'm more. Yeah, no weapon formed against me shall prosper. I'm more than a conqueror. I'm more. Listen, say no more obstacles can get me down. No, we can't get me down. Say even if I fall down, I'm gonna get back up. Can't keep me down, I'm rising up. Say I believe it. Yes, I can achieve it. Say no weapon formed against me, yeah. I'm more than a conqueror. I'm more. Say no weapon formed against me shall prosper. I'm more than a conqueror. I'm more.
Formed against me.
No
weapons. I'm here for that song. I'm here for the message. No weapon. Yes, I'm like feeling church.
You're feeling church.
Feeling church. Love that song. That's beautiful.
If I had my wallet, offering.
Offering, right? Tithing.
If,
no
like,
weapon.
No, we wouldn't need an offering.
No?
Like any plans for Christmas album?
Christmas, No, no Christmas
No?
album.
No
I'm
Christmas.
not that person who jump on the seasons like that. No.
Nice.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
your message is constant,
Yeah,
right? You don't
yeah.
fluctuate
I don't
with
need
the
to, yeah.
seasons.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah, yeah,
All right,
yeah.
so Jermaine, where can we find you on social media?
I mean, Jermaine Edwards Real at Jermaine Edwards Real, and that's Instagram. And then you have Facebook, Jermaine Edwards. And then, you know, we have the Google, so you can just Jermaine Edwards and you will basically see where I'm going to
Jermaine
be.
Edwards,
Yeah,
everything.
Jermaine Edwards, everything.
I
Yes.
really think that makes so much sense.
Yeah, just keep it simple.
Jermaine, people have some name like
I am cute and blessed.
what?
29.
Music
like,
with a
what?
Z.
Yeah,
And
it's
a
true.
R, music with
Yeah,
a
yeah,
R.
yeah.
Like,
Over
oh,
time, I
R
search a
jumping
song
on
and just can't find it, you know what I mean?
No, like,
Yeah.
like for me, my Instagram is Dufton Shepherd.
Yeah, just done.
Facebook, Dufton Shepherd.
Mine too
Twitter,
is just my name, Nisha Yen. It's true. Thank you so much for joining us, man. That
Thank you for
song
having
really
me.
blessed me. And guys, just so you remember, we have
Right.
3 tickets to give away for the fight on Saturday. Now, these will be given away on Facebook, so get your Facebook account open now. Ready? And the question is...
What is the name of the promotion company of Fight Night at Sabina Park?
On Saturday,
What
we have
is the name of the promotion company for Fight Night, Sabina Park?
three
this
tickets,
Saturday?
and it's the first
3 pairs
three
of tickets.
persons
So
that
look,
answers the question.
So it's like 3 pairs. So like you have
6
3, like not 3, you see? 6 tickets in all.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
All right, Jermaine, thank you. You can sing us
Thank you.
out. Yes, that's it for Daytime Live today. Have a good week. Enjoy yourself. Thanks for tuning in. We will be back on Friday with much more buzz, chat, vibe, mix. Yes. Guys, we'll see you on Friday, right? Don't forget, Friday 105 live.
Against me shall prosper.
No more. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Nowhere.
Yeah, nothing good can get me down. No, we can't get me down. Say even if I fall down, I'm gonna get back up. You can't keep me down. I'm rising up. Say I believe it. Yes, I can achieve it.